Hello, this is Blake here with Stands Out. Today, we're going to be talking about our handy tablet wall mount product, the Wallmate. This product allows you to use your tablet anywhere around the house or office and frees up your hands to do other things, like get ready in the morning, cook, or whatever else you can think of. The Wallmate comes with 2 mounting sockets that you can attach to the wall or any flat surface using 3M command strips or screws. This means that you can set up 2 locations for using your tablet, and you can easily move between the 2 spots using the included universal holder, which slides in and out of the mounting sockets in one easy motion. Inside the box you should have a universal holder, a universal adapter which will allow you to hold small tablets and even phones, 2 mounting sockets, and the appropriate mounting hardware. The first step to using the Wallmate is to decide where you want mounting locations. Common mounting locations are near the sink in the bathroom, in the kitchen, or near your desk, but you can decide for yourself where you would like to use your tablet. If you're attaching the Wallmate using the included 3M command strips, first make sure that the surface is compatible with the command strip system. Stands Out cannot recommend that you use command strips to attach to wet paint, wallpaper, unpainted concrete block, or any porous surface that would interfere with adhesion. First, clean the area with isopropyl alcohol. Then peel off the backing on the red side of the liner on the command strips and stick it to the back side of the mounting bracket. Press for 30 seconds to ensure full adhesion. Peel off the black liner that says wall side from the command strip and place the mounting socket where you want it. Before you attach it to the wall, make sure that the mounting socket is in a vertical position with the arrow in the correct orientation. Press it into the wall for 30 seconds and repeat the process for the other mounting socket. If you are mounting the Wallmate with screws, remove the front case from the mounting socket, place the mounting socket where you want it, and use the 2 holes to mark screw positions on the wall. Use a drill approximately the same diameter as the included drywall anchors to put a hole in the drywall. Insert the drywall anchors into the holes, then screw the mounting socket into the drywall anchors using the included screws. Of course, if you are locating the socket on a stud or surface other than drywall, you may choose to use only the screws. Replace the cover of the mounting socket. Next, assemble the ball and stem to the universal holder with the nut. The nut should be snug, but there is no need to over-tighten. Now you are ready to attach the holder to the mounting socket. Please note that the stem that goes into the mounting socket has a flat side, which must be at the bottom of the mounting socket in order to insert it into the receptacle. When inserting the stem, you will find it clicks into place and is secured safely with a magnet. The universal holder is a great new addition to the Stands Out family. This holder will allow you to securely hold any tablet that's currently on the market in either landscape or portrait orientation. That includes the new iPad Air and iPad Mini, the full-size iPad, Microsoft Surface, Google Nexus, Samsung Galaxy, Kindle Fire, and a host of other tablets, e-readers, and smartphones. Another nice feature of the universal holder is that there is no need to take the tablet out of its case. It has a nice, smooth action that is designed to be durable and functional for the lifetime of the product. To attach your tablet, first insert the bottom edge of the tablet into the holder. Reach around the back of the holder and pull the top of the holder over the tablet. When you release it, the holder will automatically grip your tablet. To remove the tablet, just lift the top of the holder and slide the device out. For larger tablets, you may find it is easiest to place the tablet into the holder in landscape mode, then turn it to the orientation you would like. For smaller tablets and phones, you may need to use the included universal adapter. If you're going to turn the holder sideways to place large tablets into portrait mode, please make sure that the tablet is in the holder properly before leaving it unattended. If the tablet is loaded improperly, it could possibly slide out of the holder. To remove the holder from the wall mount, simply pull the holder straight out. You can do this without taking the tablet out of the holder if you like. Then, you can take the tablet and insert it into the mounting socket the same way it came out, or even use the stem as a kickstand when you are in between mounting locations. If you need to remove a mounting socket that is attached with command strips, use dental floss to cut through the foam on the back of the mounting socket. Cut all the way through and you can remove the command strips normally. If you find that anything is missing from your assembly, please contact us through our website at www.standsout.com. Here's what not to do with your Wallmate. When using a folding type case, place the hinged part of the case into the top of the holder. Do not place the hinged side down, as it may keep the holder from gripping the tablet. We recommend that you test the fit of your tablet and case and find the best fit for you. Twisting or rotating your tablet when the ball and socket is too tight could damage the socket or the command strip, making it unsecure. Be sure to rotate only when the nut is loose enough to allow the ball to swivel. Thanks very much for watching. Enjoy your Wallmate, and check out www.standsout.com for more information and for the best iPad and tablet stands on the market. Be sure to like us on Facebook and connect with us on Twitter. Thanks.